Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Citrix Workspace for remote access in 2025. Step 1. Download and install Citrix Workspace from the official Citrix website or your OS. Step 2. Open Citrix Workspace and enter your workspace URL provided by your IT admin. Step 3. Sign in with your corporate credentials or single sign-on as configured. Step 4. You'll see available apps and desktops published for you. Click on the desired virtual desktop or application. Step 5. Configure client settings. Click the gear icon to adjust display resolution, multi-monitor support, and audio or video preferences. Step 6. Set up file access. Enable mapping local drives so you can transfer files between your device and remote desktop. Step 7. Confirm network connectivity. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and if needed, VPN or secure gateway as required by your organization. Step 8. Test printing. Configure local printers in Citrix settings so you can print from the remote session. Step 9. Use session controls. Learn to disconnect versus log off properly to preserve session state. Step 10. For mobile devices, install Citrix Workspace app on iOS or Android. Sign in similarly and use touch-friendly gestures to navigate remote apps. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.